Okay, well here we are. We're going to check out this vacuum cleaner, see how good it picks up. Carpet paint, okay, that's good. Let's try it out. Suck it all? Wow, this is like no suction. What the heck's going on here? Shut it off. It's got like no suction. Wonder what the heck's wrong with this thing. That's probably why they put it out the road. Out at the road. Can't even get that hose off. And it didn't suck up anything in there. That's not clogged. Where the heck does it suck it? You suck it in this tiny little thing right here? I don't get it. I don't see how this works. Oh. Maybe it does it through there. It's got plenty of suction. So why won't that work? Put this back on. Is that clogged up? Maybe this filter's clogged up. See if I can clean it out. Okay, that filter didn't seem too bad. I can get this back on here. Stupid thing. Get this darn thing back on here now. It's really hard. Wow, is that hard? It's designed so like a little 80-year-old lady could do it, huh? What if some 80-year-old lady wants to do this? Change the filter. I don't think it'll happen. There we go. That sounds really cheap too. Alright, let's put this back on. Okay, I had it on backwards, that's why I wasn't doing it right. Anyway, stick that back in there. See if it sucks now. Where's the switch? I got like almost no suction out of here. Some kind of safety valve up here. airflow indicator. It's got some kind of weird safety valve up here. This thing's really beginning to annoy me. That filter is clean. There's nothing wrong with this filter. There's not even any dust coming out of it. So why is it not sucking? Okay, last test. Last chance. I got everything all hooked up the way it's supposed to be. Everything's locked into place. Everything's lined up right. So let's try it again. One last chance. This probably isn't even that old. It doesn't even look 2 years old. Shit. Yep. Still the same. Alright. Take a look at that filter. It's no dirt in it whatsoever. It's clean. This is clean. This is clean. So I don't get what the heck is the problem. It's got to be this stupid safety valve. So my conclusion is this vacuum cleaner is a big piece of shit, and that's why they put it out by the road. They probably had it 2 years and didn't work worth a shit, because bagless vacuum cleaners aren't worth a shit. So this bad boy is going to get a little taste of a golf club. So stay tuned for my next episode where I will be doing that. See you later.